Yeah, Colin, this part's camberish. Well, good morning, Internet. Welcome back to the channel. Out here in a brand new area with a brand new friend. We're in the El Mirage. Oh, this is exhausting. El Mirage dry lake bed. I can't get away from the whoops. Anyway, the El Mirage dry lake bed, OHB area. Invited out here by the great and powerful ADVsquared. You guys probably all watch his channel. I know I do. Does great solo videos, like him out here and stuff like this completely by himself freaks me out. With like tons of cool camera angles, and really shows a lot of care and like turning out a very cool video. Way cooler than the stuff I turn out. But so he invited me out here to just poke around and go for a ride. The weather is freaking awesome. Super awesome. I had to get out of that wash.
I was thinking the same thing.
I had my fill of that.
I can't believe you saved it. That was, oh my God, your rear end was just flopping left and right. Yeesh.
I gotta tell you, anybody like on the fence about getting into riding motorcycles, mainly dual sports, like what we're doing here, you gotta freaking do it, man. Like, you meet the best people, the camaraderie that you gain from riding dirt bikes with a few buddies or meeting new people. It's just like second to none. It's the best because you're all out here pushing yourselves, struggling a little bit, and like nothing builds relationships faster than a little adversity. A little bit of that struggle bus. Wow, that was bizarre. The whole terrain just shifted, and like now we're in red rocks, and like all the rocks are gone. It's just little pea gravel. Oh, good old sand. No, no sand. Avoiding the sand. There's a mine up here. A little mine right there, huh?
Was that?
A little mine?
Yeah, so show you, yeah. If you walk over there, the shaft is really deep. It's probably 40 to 50 feet.
Really?
Go straight down. Yeah, you can take a look.
Holy cow.
Yeah. it's a ways down.
Yeah, no kidding.
Think how much work that took.
No. Very, very awesome. I was actually able to see a little bit of water out there on the dry lake bed. The whole lake bed's closed right now from the recent rain.
Not sure which way to go.
Oh, there's your favorite stuff over there.
Oh yeah, it's like a little sand dune or something. I've never actually been there.
That's cool.
You want to go over that way?
Sure.
Yeah, all right.
Why not?
Yeah, sure.
I hate sand. Let's go find it.
Me too.
Sounds like fun. Found a sand bowl.
All right.
That was pretty fun.
Yeah, wow.
If you slow down at all going downhill, your front end just dives into that sand.
I saw the whole front wheel almost like just disappeared.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is cool. Doesn't look like we're in the desert anymore. Bright green lawn with blue rocks. Oh, I got a lot of sorts on that one. Ugh. I think we're going over to that hill over there. That's the one that Colin was talking about. It's called Resurrection Hill or something like that. Yeah, I recognize this from your videos.
Yeah. And it goes all the way around.
Heck yeah! Those are a lot of fun.
Yeah, I was going to try and go up that side. There's no trail there, but you can just go up.
Right, I saw there was one like somewhere in here too that was like straight up the face. Yeah. There was like a little mountain bike trail.
Yeah, you can go anywhere. But on that side it's not as bad, but there's a lot of loose boulders.
Oh, okay.
So it makes it a little tough. Last time I did it, I made it up like almost to the top and then got spun out. But yeah, maybe I'll try that, see if I can make it. Yeah. Give it a shot.
Almost.
The reason the trail only goes halfway.
What's that?
There's a reason those tire marks only go halfway up.
Oh yeah?
It's extremely loose. The boulders get to be about that big. You just need to commit and have 100% speed. You can't stop.
I barely got through that. There's just big rocks like blocking every opening.
Yeah, you gotta pick your line and you cannot slow down.
Yeah, every single line had like just this freaking...
It's amazingly loose. It doesn't look that
yeah.
There's nothing there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, good job. Good.
Thanks. I didn't think I was gonna make it. I was like, I don't want to turn my bike around. Let's go. That was weird. I thought we were on a trail. Woo. Yeah, Colin, this part's camberish. Oh, this is a cool little canyon. was a fun little section.
Yowzer. That's probably the rockiest thing I've ever been through.
Alright, let's try this no dabs. Ready and go. Dab. These rocks look jagged.
That's how deep the hole is.
That car's in a hole.
Yeah, that one's just sitting there. They actually stuck all the way down in there.
That's freaking hilarious. Man, it has been a stand-up day all day. Like in both senses of the word. Or tenses, meanings, words. Yeah, I can't use them. If you're not already following Colin's YouTube channel, it's ADVsquared. I will throw a link in the description below. Absolutely, you guys should check them out. Alright guys, I think that's going to about wrap this one. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Or not, you know, do whatever you want to do. Big thank you to Colin for inviting me out here and guiding me around. Really appreciate it. This area is awesome, and I'll absolutely be back. Anyway guys, later.